Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add this sticky notes to your home screen on Redmi 12R. To do this, first we'll need to remove all of this, or actually let's go and add them right here. Hold your finger over the screen you want to add these sticky notes for, and then select widgets. Scroll down a bit and here you will find notes. You can pick a different size. In this case, let's go by 2. And then now, if you want to write something on this sticky notes, you can change the title right there. So click on this plus button, start writing, go back, and here's the title. We can also add any text, or actually here's the title and here's the text. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.